If you stand on a sunny beach, you can feel the waves gently rolling in and touching your feet. The seawater covers the sand for a moment, then slips away, only to come back again. Waves just keep coming, never taking a break, always reaching the shore. Today, let's find out how waves travel all the way from the ocean to us. Out in the middle of the ocean, the wind begins to blow. As the wind sweeps over the water, it shares its energy with the sea. When you move your hand through bath water, you see little waves form. The ocean works the same way. The wind pushes the water and makes tiny ripples, just like you do in the tub. If the wind is gentle, the waves stay small. But when the wind gets stronger, the waves grow bigger and stronger too. Little ripples join together and turn into real waves. These small waves, made by the wind, start to grow. Soon, they travel farther and farther, crossing the whole ocean. Waves move across the ocean like ripples on a blanket. If you gently shake a blanket, you see little folds appear. Waves on the sea travel just like those folds. Picture the ripples moving along the blanket. Waves on the ocean spread forward in the same way. The wave shape moves, but the blanket itself stays in place. But guess what? The water in the ocean doesn't really travel far. Even though it looks like the water is moving forward, each drop mostly stays where it is. It's the wave's shape that moves along, not the water itself. That's how waves made far out in the ocean can reach all the way to the shore. But what do you think happens when a wave finally gets close to the beach? Let's find out. As a wave gets closer to the shore, the water becomes shallower. The bottom part of the wave slows down because it starts to touch the ocean floor. But the top part of the wave wants to keep going fast. Since the bottom and top move at different speeds, the wave grows taller and taller. Suddenly, the wave crashes and spills onto the sandy beach, turning all white and foamy. You can hear the loud sound of the wave and feel the chilly water rushing over your toes. For a quick moment, it feels like the whole ocean is wrapping around you. This is how a wave uses up all its energy at the beach. But have you noticed that waves change size every day? Why do you think that happens? The size of a wave depends on how strong the wind is. On calm days, the wind is gentle, so only tiny waves slowly roll onto the shore. But when the wind blows hard, the waves get bigger and crash onto the beach with lots of power. Sometimes, waves can grow as tall as a 2-story house. That's pretty huge! That's why the waves at the beach look different every day. One day you might see little waves, and the next day you might see really big ones. Every wave is special, with its own size and strength. Now you know how waves are made and how they travel all the way from the sea to the sandy beach right in front of us. Waves are an amazing gift from the wind and the sea working together. Next time you visit the beach, take a moment to watch how the waves move in and out. Today, we learned all about where waves come from and how they travel. I can't wait to share another fun story with you soon!